what is solid waste? Solid waste is actually any kind of material thrown by human or animal activities which normally unusable. So in other words, solid waste is useless and unwanted product generated by society. So in Malaysia, solid waste is one of the environmental problems faced by this country. According to the Global Environment Center, over 23,000 of solid waste were produced each day in Malaysia. So this amount will increase up to 30,000 tons of solid waste in each day by the year 2020.
Here are the solid waste management processes that are being practiced in Malaysia.
So in this video, we want to explain about the solid waste management and handling in Malaysia.
Solid waste handling is an activity associated with handling of solid waste until they are placed into containers used for storage before they are being collected by the garbage truck. Solid waste can be divided into two categories, which is domestic solid waste and industrial or commercial solid waste. The domestic solid waste handling system are classified based on the type of residential, that is medium or low-rise residential or high-rise apartment. For low or medium-rise residential, the solid waste are normally placed in and around containers before being picked up by the garbage truck. The containers can be an individual containers, just like this one, where it is being placed at the front of each houses, or it can be a centralized container.
One of the method of waste handling for the high-rise apartment is waste usually bags are placed by the tenants in specially designed vertical cube with opening located on each floor. In other method for the waste handling for the high-rise apartment is waste are taken to the basement by a tenant.
Just the same as I was. Now don't you understand that I'm never changing who I am?
This is the other method of high-rise apartment, which the waste are collected by the maintenance personnel from various floors and taken to the basement or service area. For commercial area, solid waste are collected in large container and then stored at the specific location.
So, where does our garbage go?
ISWM is Integrated Solid Waste Management, which comprehends the waste prevention by recycling, composting and disposal to enhance the public health and environment.
So to prevent future problems, there is an integrated solid waste management hierarchy. And the first of it is a source reductions is the preferred method of waste management since it prevents the generations of waste in the first place. It includes minimizing the production of waste during any step in the creations or use of a product. Reuse follows source reduction in the solid waste management hierarchy. Items normally discarded as waste such as appliances, furniture, glass, jars and bottles can be reused as originally intended or as new products. Next is recycling. Recycling including composting, the process by which material otherwise destined for disposal are collected, processed and remanufactured, follows source reduction and reuse in the solid waste management hierarchy. Recycling and composting can reduce the depletion of landfill space, save energy and natural resources, provide useful product and provide economic benefit. Disposal management method including resource recovery and landfilling are near the bottom of the hierarchy. Resource recovery is preferred to landfilling since the method reduces the bulk of municipal waste and can provide the added benefit of energy productions. Collection and transfer of solid waste serve to facilitate solid waste management strategies through the collection and transfer of solid waste. Perfect country can help ensure that the objective of their solid waste management system are implemented.
So Malaysian have produced a lot of garbage. So in 1 month, statistically, this plastic bottle produce about 43,000 tons. This paper produce about 57 tons, and this glass produce about 8 tons of waste. So for Malaysians, only 3% of it they recycle it to produce a new one. So we need to make this a proper solid waste management. So as an example, I will show you. You just imagine in just 9.5 days, the KL Twin Towers can be filled by the waste in KL, in Kuala Lumpur alone. So this is a critical situation that we are facing right now.